Alright, kings and queens, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I will be doing a highly requested TikTok themed video because you guys love my TikTok themed videos and I love making them and showing you guys how I do my cool tricks and my cool hacks for having the amount of fans on there and the different likes and things like that. I have my phone here. I'm gonna get into some of my tutorials for y'all. So in my last big viral TikTok video, I showed you guys how to shake. Hopefully that turned out good for you guys. I remember seeing a lot of comments of people saying that they had different types of iPhones or different like tablets, so they weren't able to do it. My response to that is I apologize. A lot of you guys were wondering what phone I have. I have an iPhone 7. A lot of you guys were just saying you guys had the same case as me. So post a picture of you and your case on Instagram or on TikTok and tag me and I will like it so I can see that we are matching because that's lit that we're matching. I got mine off Amazon. Okay, so here's the first tutorial. Of course, I have to change the sound of the song because I don't want to get copyright. Okay, we're trying to. Basically, what I'm gonna be showing you, a part of that tutorial is how I did the little head turning part. In case you didn't know how to do that. So I'm gonna go to the track, click, and then this is what I did. So first you're just gonna start off with your regular clip. So I usually do it in 2x. Oh. I've never done this before. Alright, so I'm gonna just improvise, and then when it comes to Hey Julie, right at the Julie, I'm gonna turn my head whichever way I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it this way. So here you go, a demonstration in case that didn't make sense. Right there at the J. You turn your head, sis. You turn that head, sis. And I'm gonna put my phone that way too. So now my phone is that way and my head is turned, but I'm gonna keep it straight. And right when I hit the play, I'm gonna turn it, Julie, turn it back and let go. So like this. Right there at the little, and bring it back, look and. Heard you got that drip. So now you guys can see how it looks. Now the next tutorial. So that video is basically just a shake, but instead of me just going on and shaking, I kind of like transitioned it with my hand. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do that. So I'm gonna go to the track. I'm just gonna go, and then when I want to do my transition, I'm gonna cover my screen just like that. So here we go. Right there. Then I'm going to switch to the 0.5 filter speed and I'm going to put my hand back there. You want to make sure that you move it really quickly because with 0.5 it's faster even though it's a slow-mo. So if you move it slowly in the video, your hand will like be going slowly across and it won't look good. So do it as fast as you can. Oh, I forgot to shake. Oh, don't forget to shake too. If you don't know how to shake, go back and watch my other video, link down below, and then watch this one. Okay, we're probably gonna see my muscle pop out. Okay, I did it, but my phone is kind of tweaking, so that's why the shake kind of looks bad, but I definitely did do it. My phone's just acting a little slow. It's on 15%, so I don't expect it to be all live and happy and glad. Hey y'all, so my camera died, so I had to charge it, and then I started eating. I was trying to write down more things to add to my list of tutorials for y'all today, but I'm back. Okay, so let's just act like that little break did not happen. It's all good. This next tutorial is spinning around over your shoulder, over your head. So basically, you can just pick any sound. It doesn't really matter. I realized there was no point in me picking a sound because I really don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm just gonna, for the rest of the tutorial, I'm just gonna show you guys me doing it. So, to do the over your head or over your shoulder, basically this is what you do. By the way, if you're not following that, go follow it. Give me the 100K. We're gonna start in the front, or however you want to start, and then go back and let go right when you're here. Then come back over here, go in front. Let's see how that looks. And then there's the ones when people go over their head. Make sure you have a good grip of your phone. I've dropped my phone on my head doing this. It is not a good feeling, so don't drop your phone. Top, down, and then back of your head. I know it's hard to record because you can't see, but you just gotta trust yourself. I wasn't even recording, see? There we go. Let's see how that one looks. I couldn't really find a video of me doing that because I make so many TikToks every day. Well, not every day, but almost every day, that it's hard to try to go through and try to remember what you did in each one. So I couldn't really find one of me doing that. The next one is the changing shirts one. So I've done a few of those. So you're just doing whatever, and then you grab your shirt here. You grab it just like this, and you just pull it. Like, just give it a little tug. But right when you pull it right here, that's when you stop recording. You don't want to get it letting go, because then it kind of looks messed up. So you just grab it, pull, and then stop recording. So you go, pull, and then stop recording. So then back and try to find that same exact spot. Grab the shirt, and this will be you letting go. So already have your hand on there, record, let go. Let's see how it looks. This next one is called the spin around, I guess. I like to hold my phone like this so I can just easily flip it. So I'm gonna show you the two ways that you can do it. One way to do it is to put on self timer. So we'll put it on like 3 seconds. Start the countdown, hold your phone underhand, and when it starts, you just flip it like that. So that's one way to do it. And then another way to do it is the actual way that takes a little bit longer. So I'm right-handed, so I can go in. So you just start recording, and then you put your phone down, and then once it gets here, you stop recording. So here, down, and then down, and then you go back the other way. So here. I don't know why my phone is acting so delayed, but you get the concept. That's basically how you do it. The next one is the switching windows one. This one involves having a filter. So you're gonna do what you like, and then do that hand thing that I showed you in the beginning. And then go to effects. And if you scroll, you should see the one that kind of looks like an airplane right here. And if you click it, it adds 2. So put your hand back, swipe, smile, swipe back. If you click it again, you can go to the 3, smile, swipe back, and then you just keep going. And as you can see, that's how you get it. The next one is the grab and disappear. So I have 3 objects here: my camera battery, my lip gloss, and some gum. So I just record, reach down, grab, move it, go like that. It's all in the timing of you moving your hand. So there you go. Let's watch it. When you follow me, turn on my post notifications so you know when I go live, because I go live a lot and I answer you guys questions. I give you guys shout outs. I let you guys ask me questions and get to know me. I ask you guys questions so I can get to know you. We play the emoji game. We do a lot of lit stuff on there, and you can leave me video ideas that you want to see. So make sure you turn on your post notifications when you want to see me go live. But a lot of you guys ask me when I'm live, how do you go live? And to answer that, you have to have at least 1,000 followers before you go live on TikTok. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a king or a queen. Also follow my makeup Instagram. It's called C Makeup. By the time you watch this video, that video will probably be up because I'm filming that after this. I stay busy. It's hard. Also follow my main Instagram at SierraAndrea. I post really cute pictures on there. Follow me on TikTok because that's what this video is about. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.